Good day everyone, my name is Faidullah H. Sapayani from BSRT 3F. Ito po ang gagamitin ko sa thorax assessment demonstration. First, skin marker and centimeter ruler, and the last one important, stethoscope. Hi sir, my name is Cholo from respiratory department. What is your name, sir?
My name is John Patrick R. Malacapo.
Date of birth?
October 10, 2004.
Age?
I'm 20 years old.
Okay. Sir, anong gusto mong tawagin ko po sa'yo?
You can call me Malacapo.
Okay, sir, Malakapo. Ask ko lang if my family history illness including cancer, allergies, tuberculosis, lifestyle habits such as smoking, occupation hazard, any medication being taken, currently problems such as wheezing, cough, wheezing pain. May nararamdaman ka po ganun, sir?
None po.
Okay, sir. Assess na po kita sa posterior thorax po, sir, ha?
Okay.
First of all, proper hygiene. Okay, done. Sir, mag-inspect na po ako sa'yo, sir. Straight po, sir. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Sir, ipapalpate na po kita, sir, ha? May nararamdaman ka po ba sakit, sir?
None po.
May nararamdaman ka ba sakit, sir?
None po.
Okay.
None po.
Okay, sir. Sir, please say 99 to me, sir.
99. 99. 99.
Okay.
99.
Okay. Sir, sir, Malakapo, ang gagawin po natin next po, chest expansion po. Straight ka po, sir. Straight po. T9 to T10 po. Okay, sir, ha? Wait lang po. Okay. Inhale ka po, sir. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay po. Okay, sir, ha? Sir, hinga ka po. Gawin mo po, sir. Hinga malalim, taas hold po, sir, ha? Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Gagawin po natin auscultation for breath sound, sir, ha? Gagawin mo lang po, sir. Inhale, exhale lang po. Wait lang po, sir, ha? Inhale. Exhale. 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 Okay. Sir, kapag ma-feel mo na po yung stethoscope sa likod mo po, say 99 po, sir, ha?
Okay.
Okay, sir?
99. 99.
Okay.
99.
Okay.
99.
Okay.
99.
Okay.
99.
Okay.
99.
Okay.
99.
Okay, sir. Kapag maramdaman mo po yung stethoscope sa likod nyo po, say E. Okay, sir?
Okay po.
Okay. Okay, sir?
E.
Okay.
E.
Okay.
E.
Okay.
E.
Okay.
E.
Okay.
E. 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 E.
Okay, sir. Sir, kapag maramdaman mo na po sa likod mo yung stethoscope, say whisper po, sir. 1, 2, 3.
Okay po.
Okay. Whisper lang po, sir, ha? Okay. Sir,